morning! Today, we're having our breakfast. What is this, Luis? This is an oatmeal with banana and peanut butter. Yes. Wait, I'm going to give you 1 second. Say hi to the subscribers. Hi. What's your name?
Wish.
Okay. See you later. We're going to finish our food.
Bye.
Mmm. Is it yummy?
Monkey.
Yummy?
Ding dong.
What?
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Hee.
Where is ate?
Bus.
In the bus? School bus? In the school?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you want to go to school already?
Like baby.
You're ready? You're ready already? You're ready to go to school?
Yes.
Yes. What's that, Luis?
Green.
That's your bag?
Back.
That's your bag going to school?
Two.
Huh? That's too small. That's too small for school.
Two.
That's too small. Wow, Pogi. Wow, Pogi. School. Wow. What are you going to say to the teacher? Good morning, teacher. Say good morning, teacher. 1, 2, 3. Say good morning. Good morning. 1, 2, 3. Say good morning, teacher.
Two.
Hmm?
Say.
Good morning. Say good morning. Okay? Bye-bye. Say good morning, teacher. Peekaboo. Can you see? Can you see? Wow. Hat. Where are you going na? School? We're going to school? Bye. Say good morning, teacher. Good morning. Peekaboo.
Back.
Back na, back. Okay. Oh, you want some na? You want some food na? Food. Food.
Two.
Food. What's your name?
Baby.
Jollibee.
Baby.
Jollibee? You want to see Jollibee? You want to see Jollibee? You say hi to Jollibee. Jollibee is watching you. Jollibee. Uy, what's that? Hmm, what's happening? What's that? What's that? It's a excavator. Uy, excavator. Uh-oh.
Down. Rock. This rock.
What? It's a truck.
Rock.
Truck.
Red. Oh no. Red. Red. Red.
What's the color?
Red.
How about the other one?
Red.
But how about the color of the other one?
Yellow.
Wow, what's the color of the other one?
Yellow.
What is the color of the other one pa?
Yellow.
How about this one? This? No, this one.
Yellow.
What?
Yellow.
This one.
What's that?
Black.
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 Red.
Red. Very good.
Yellow.
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 Good job. Oh, you finish your food na. Okay? Okay? Sit down. Paano yung sit down properly po? Sit down. Can you show me? Sit down. Lala. Sabi ni Mami, sit down. Sit down. Okay? You sit down, please.
Ha. Ha.
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi to Ate Sia.
Hi, Atesia.
Say hi to Momsy.
Hi.
Hi to Popsy.
Hi, Happy.
Say hi to Owa.
Hi, Owa.
Say hi to Kira. Baby Kira.
Hi, Tila.
Say hi to Tita May.
Hi, Tita May.
Flying kiss mo sila.
Okay?
1, 2, 3, flying kiss. Say, you flying kiss mo sila. 1, 2, 3, kiss. Mwah! Good job. You did great.
So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye na. I'm gonna finish this one. Oh. What's your breakfast? It's an oatmeal with banana.
Nana.
Banana.
No, no.
Say
No, no, no.
hi. Say bye-bye to Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say bye-bye to Momsy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to Popsy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to Owa.
Bye-bye, Owa.
Say bye-bye to Mami.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Say bye-bye to Ate Sia.
Bye-bye, Apatia.
Say bye-bye to Baby Kira.
Bye-bye, Baby Tia.
Say bye-bye to Tita May.
Bye-bye, Tita May.
Love you.
Love you.
Thank you. Tinatapos na namin yung channel namin dito. See you again.
See you then.
Bye.